out of 25 marks. Let's do the short answer first. So the short answer, there is a 3-mark question where you must balance the redox. Which do you think is harder, balancing an acid or balancing a base? So which question am I going to ask you?
Are you going to explicitly state that it's in basic conditions?
Yes. Because if I don't...
Well, if you don't, then we can...
What if I bold everything then? All right, so you have a balancing a redox question in base. All right. We have 2 electrolytic cell questions. Electrochemical, sorry. So the first one is out of 5 marks. It's pretty much like the question you just did. Label everything. All right. So
Wait, what's the second one also out of 5 marks?
no. Label anode, cathode.
Are you going to explicitly tell us what everything you need?
Yep. It's like question 17A. Label the anode and the cathode, give the half reactions.
17?
Oh my god. 17B. Put the electron flow. 17C. What's the voltage of the cell? Blah, blah, blah. Which way do the potassium ions flow? Which way do the whatever? Like every other question we've done. Anode, cathode, etc. Okay, 5 question. The second question on electrochemical cells is out of 2 marks. You have to identify the unknown element. So if you have done the thing that I gave you on Friday, you will know how to do this. Okay. All right. That's the short answer. The rest of it's multiple choice.
Oh my god.
Like actual multiple choice where you circle the answer as you go.
Why are you saying it like that? We've done multiple choice.
Yeah, but usually if I have a multiple choice, I say, explain why.
Oh, like fully just circle the
Circle, just fully circle the answer. Yeah.
Is it on your computer? What folder is it? Just showed us. Just so we can understand what you mean. Yeah. No ambiguity.
You've never seen a multiple choice test before?
I would like to see it.
What's a multiple choice?
I don't know.
Didn't Torsten
It's a new
show us
type
the
of thing.
questions in the test?
No.
You
Multiple
showed us the
choice.
setup. Can you show us the setup?
No.
How many pages is it?
58.
I'll give you 3 marks.
Multiple choice, 15 marks.
What?
Multiple choice questions are going to be oxidation numbers. What is... Oh, list it. What species is being reduced / oxidized?
Are there 15 multiple choice questions, or are there 3 and they're each worth 5 marks?
15 multiple choice questions. Actually, there's 30, and I make them a half mark each. What species is being reduced or oxidized? Strength of oxidizing or reducing agents. Oh my gosh. No.
Isn't that just like where they are like the higher recommendation?
Yeah, but remember, if you look on the questions I gave you, there's ones where I say these 2 things will react, these 2 things won't react, this one does react. List these 3 species in the order of oxidizing or reducing strength. If you look in your booklet of questions, you will have seen a question like that. And or if you look through the reviews that I gave you,
I've been doing it, but I haven't done it.
strength of oxidizing reducing agents. What other stuff is there? We've balanced. We've done that. Oh, spontaneous versus non-spontaneous. But we already kind of know how to do that. E naught of the cell. There's not a lot of stuff in this bit. It's not a big test. I don't anticipate it taking that long. That's about it. Basically, go through your notes. We went over, like, if you look at your notes, where's reduction? Redox part 1. Come on. No bonus question. Oxidation numbers. I'm going to ask you oxidation numbers. That's lesson 1. Lesson 2, half reactions. Basically, that's oxidizing agents and things like that. Oxidizing and losing, Leo Ger. Okay. Identifying if it's a redox reaction or not. So the oxidation numbers change. If you can do those. Number 3 was all about balancing. There was 3 parts to that in neutral conditions. I'm not asking you neutral conditions. Then we did acidic conditions. And then we did basic conditions, which are really, the reason I'm asking you basic is because you have to do it in acidic. And then the final step is you add the water. Where is it? You can just add protons to either side. Okay? Cancel things out. All right? And then what do we do? Titrations. I'm not having a titration question because we've done 4 bazillion titrations in this class. Okay, so I took that off. It was on. I took it off. There's no titration question. So then we skip to the activity series, which is reduction potentials. All right, that's the whether it's spontaneous or not. Oh, I'll ask you if a reaction is spontaneous or not, but you can figure that out. All right. This is the question I was talking about, Michaela. Things like this. All right. Which of these will react? List them in the order of reducing agent, oxidizing agent, whatever. Could word it any way I wanted. Okay. And then electrochemical cells, which we've done a bit of, and you had that worksheet from Friday. And then in part 2, we just did calculating the whether it's spontaneous and the reduction potentials of a cell. That's pretty much it. There's no tricks here. Okay. If you can do the reviews that I posted in the classroom and that sheet that I gave you on Friday, you're good. Know how to do oxidation numbers. It's pretty straightforward. Where is